We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. I'll ask from returns for you guys to smash that like button. Let's see if we can get today's video over 40 likes. And here we are with Avct stock, American Virtual Cloud Technologies Inc. And the stock has had a move to the upside today. It wasn't the only stock going higher. The overall market was going higher as well. And the SPY and our SPY bot since 9:35 a.m. sent out a bull indicator. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint with full strength, as you see there in the chart. And put options did not go up, but call options did. Call options went up 200% plus within minutes to hours, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge over the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. And this is my opinion and perspective alone. Volatility is here to stay, and having an edge and clarity of the charts makes all the difference to maximize on opportunities. It does not have to be 42 vision, but if you find value in what we share here and you want to become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together and using these resources to maximize in either direction, check out the link down below to the 42 vision indicator and the inflow versus outflow and our bots. So here we are with Avct stock, American Virtual Cloud Technologies Inc. And as you see it here, it's in this dip area, going into this rip area and trying to find support above from this dip area here. And we need to break down what's going on here with 42 vision in our inflow versus outflow. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And as you see popping up here on the screen, these are some of the home runs I've managed to find this week alone. And while it's not guaranteed to be this way every single time, we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So the home run opportunity was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the stocks I mentioned this morning. All of them gave jumps of 3 to 5%, 5 to 10% plus, but one of them turned out to be a home run, and that was ATXI. We mentioned this one yesterday at around $13, and it gave a jump of about 10 to 15% plus. Now today, we caught this one in the pre-market pulling downwards, sitting sideways towards the bell. The outflows were dominating. It got that bull indicator, full strength on 42 vision. The inflows crossed the midpoint with full strength, and it gave a highest point of 18% plus within minutes, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market and join a community of members using these resources to maximize within the volatility, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Now here we have Avct stock, American Virtual Cloud Technologies Inc. And as I stated earlier, trying to leave this dip area here and trying to bounce back up. And we need to talk about some key resistance and support going on within this chart, because today it rejected a key area here as it was coming back up, and right now it's trying to push itself back towards that area. Find support there if it could actually find strength, and that's what we're going to talk about here moving forward, and where the outflows and inflows are. So I'm going to pull up the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize in either direction by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. And slots are now open for those interested. Once again, the link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator and getting connected to the inflow versus outflow. So here we are with Avct stock under a bull indicator here. This is the first bull indicator that pops up in days since the last bear indicator from way up here at $4.41 all the way down to this area of nearly $2, nearly a 50% plus drop. And here we are bouncing off these recent lows, right? But outflows are still dominating and the inflows have not crossed. Now, if we zoom into the 15-minute though, you will see a little bit of a divergence here, but the 30-minute is what we need to show some further strength. So within this volatility, it got a bull indicator yesterday on the 15-minute chart at 230 level, and today in the pre-market and at the opening bell, that's where it kind of found support. The inflows were coming towards the midpoint, and I stated I will be watching if it could cross the midpoint and go higher. Well, it did, and the stock went from 229 all the way to highs here of 291, nearly a 30% plus jump, trying to come back up to where things fell on the day of the split, right? From around 289, 290 all the way down to $2. Now, we need to talk about where it's at right now because the outflows have now crossed again here on the 15-minute chart. If you actually look at it here, and I remove these drawings here, and we go back to the 15-minute, you could see it there, right? Super important to keep this in mind. So the first thing that I'll be watching for is for these inflows to pick back up and cross this midpoint and cancel this bear indicator as it's popped up here actually at around 248. And even though it's popped back up towards 280s, no bull indicator has popped up just yet. So this could continue to dominate over the chart and roll over into the 30-minute and continue to pull the outflows even lower. So I'll be watching that very carefully here on the 15-minute. And back on the 30-minute here, we want to see this bull indicator hold true and that this actually holds support above 250, 245 range in that area. And for these inflows to actually start working its way towards the midpoint. Even if it does not cross it, get closer to it. If it crosses it, that can actually start reflecting in the chart even further, which could lead to the stock breaking through key resistance levels. And the first resistance level here is 292. And based off the history of the chart, 290 area is a key resistance. And above that is 308. And back above that is 314. But more significantly, up here at 353. If you want to round that down to 350, you can. And then above that, we can start talking about other levels as we reach it if that happens, right? So we want to see resistance levels getting broken through. We want this bull indicator to not get canceled and continue to dominate over the chart. The inflows to pick up, and not only on the 30-minute, but also on the 15-minute. Hold support above 250, 245 area, and then hold support if that gets broken through above 220s, guys. This is pivotal and important here as it's trying to bring itself back up, and we need to see if this strength is enough to roll into larger time frames, cross those midpoints. And if you look at it on the 1 hour here, you could see that the inflows crossed, but they've slowed down. And this is important because the 30-minute has not crossed just yet, and there's no bull indicator here just yet. We hit a dark green bar, and right now we went back to red, and we just got a red with green borders. We want to see this transition into dark green bars, continuation, and these inflows to continue to push up higher and break through resistance levels in the process. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below, and let's make some money.